guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be doing my August paycheck part 2. If you have not seen part 1, I will leave it linked in the cards up there, and if you wanted to watch any of my other cash envelope stuffings, I will leave them down in the description box below of my playlist. So basically what I'm going to be doing today, like I said, is filling my August part 2 cash envelope stuffings. And for those of you that are new to the channel, I'll give you just kind of like a brief overview of my situation. So I'm currently living at home with my parents. I am saving for a house. My car is fully paid off, but I still need to pay car insurance, except I've officially paid it all off. And I think that's about it for right now. I've divided my paycheck into 2 categories, so your monthlies and your sinking funds. So my monthlies are these ones right here, and these guys need to be filled no matter what. Every single paycheck. These are your monthlies. They need to be filled. Let me get that straight with you guys. And then second off is going to be this stack over here. And these are my sinking funds, and these are going to be things that I am filling when I can and things that I'm saving up for. So monthlies are number 1, and then sinking funds. I did take out $700 today to fill these envelopes. That does not mean that I got paid only $700. It just means that I pulled out $700 to fill what was needed. So I'm going to zoom you guys in really quick, and we are going to go over my monthlies first, and then we will get into my sinking funds right after. So first up, I'm going to start with my rent envelope, and rent every paycheck is $250. So 1, 2, and a 50. And I'm just going to add it into this envelope here. So this is my full rent for September. And then on the back here, I'll just write the date, amount, and total. So rent is done. Next up, I am going to be doing my phone bill, and phone bill every paycheck gets $50. I do have my other half of my phone bill right there. So I'll just tuck that in there, and then again, write the information on the back. And phone bill is done. Next up is my gas envelope, and gas every paycheck gets $40. And my gas is completely empty. So that will just get tucked in there. My gas, my food, and my spending don't have any trackers on the back. I know exactly where the money is going into each month, so I don't really have to worry about keeping a tracker on those guys. I'll just put the receipt inside the envelope and I'll be good to go. So gas is finished. Next up would be my car insurance, but I am not putting in anything in this envelope. I have officially paid off my car insurance for the year, so I will not need this envelope until January of next year. Just because I have figured out how to save up for it for each year starting in January. So for right now, this guy's gonna be empty, and I'm really super happy to have that done. Next up will be spending, and spending gets $40 this paycheck. So again, just like my gas, I don't have a tracker on the back of here. This is my guilt-free money, or as some people call it, mad money. I don't really care what I spend my money on from here. This is completely mine. And then last but not least in my monthlies is my food envelope, aka groceries. This is not dining out or anything like that. This is strictly just for groceries. And each paycheck gets $40. I think coming up to the school year, I might make this maybe $50 just so I can get my daughter some extra stuff for school. But that is it for right now. And again, no tracker on the back for this guy either. So those were all my monthlies, and now we're going to get into my sinking funds. So these are all my sinking funds right here. I do have a lot of them. I strongly believe in having an envelope for everything that I want to save up for instead of just having one and dividing it into 5 categories. It will be way too complicated for me. So I do have a lot of them. I am not filling all of them today, so I'm just going to take out the ones that I'm filling, but I will go over all the ones that I do have. So I have maintenance, toiletries, travel, Christmas, date night, birthdays, pampering my daughter, medical and dental, emergency fund, and Disney. But today I am only filling maintenance, travel, Christmas, date night, pampering, and my emergency savings. So I'm first going to start off with maintenance. And maintenance this paycheck is getting $50. And I do have some money in here. What ended up happening is my car insurance, I did have extra, I think like 60 bucks left over. So I just threw it in this guy, and I will be adding in the 50 to it today. I just need to pay off my CAA now and start saving for winter tires and stuff. So I'm just going to quickly count this and then add everything on the back. Perfect. And then again, just the information on the back. So maintenance is done. Next up, I'm going to go into my travel envelope, and travel this paycheck is getting $100. I'm just going to count this and make sure it equals the back of the paper as well as the $100 that I just put in. And then I'm just going to write all the information, and travel is done. Next up will be my Christmas envelope, and Christmas's paycheck is getting $20. I'm getting ready for Christmas shopping, which I'm so excited about. So then I'm just going to write the information on the back. Christmas is done. Next up is date night, and I don't really think there's anything in here. Oh, there is $20, but I am going to be adding in another $20 today. And this could be for anything. It could be a date night with the girls with the movies. It could be a date night going out for dinner. Like, it literally could be for anything. So I just like to have about 60 bucks just to have in here to make sure I'm able to do things that I want to do. So I'll just quickly write on the back here, again, all the information. So date night is done. Next up will be my pampering envelope, and I don't think, there's nothing in here, so I will be putting in $20 as pay. I do need to get my nails filled, so this will be a good start on saving up, and I also need my eyebrows done, so I need to start putting some money in here again. And again, I'll just put all the information on the back. And pampering is done. And then last but not least is my savings envelope, and this paycheck will be getting $70. I did replace the 100 that I took out of here, so everything should be in here good to go. I'll just quickly count all the money and then make sure it equals with the stuff on the back of the paper. And savings is done. So like I said, I did pull out $700 to fill these envelopes today, and I did put in $700. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section and I will gladly reply. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!